welcome to my vlog for today. So today I'm just gonna share some snap video here in the Radisson Hotel, near in the lake. Where is my boat parking his boat. So ayun, it's quite so nice, the place, guys. It's so beautiful. There are many restaurants here near in the lake. If someone were gonna ask me, this river, this is not sea water, this is a fresh water. It's a lake, but it's a big area, as you can see, guys. And most of this is no oh, we can go swimming there, Nikita. Actually, there is many area here, guys, for child. There is a kids club, but most of the time we cannot come here because this kid club is only for, how is it, 4 years old above. And Nikita, he's just 1 year and 3 months, so we could not play there. So this is the Radisson Hotel, guys, and this is the restaurant down. There are many restaurants you can choose. You can rent also some biking. I think this biking is not for rent. You can use it. Let's go in that side. I show you the area here where we can walk around and see the beach. We also swim there, but since Nikita he was ill for 3 days, he has very high temperature, so we could not really go in swimming. So as you can see, guys, the swimming pool area, the swimming area, I mean. Ayan. Maybe this tomorrow we can go, but now no, we just walking around. The beautiful scenario here in this area, guys. So I just like to snap a few video probably, and we are going to the other side. I don't know where is my boss. I didn't really recognize his own boat, but he has this area. This is the parking area for his boat. I don't know how to do this. Maganda magpunta doon sa baba, but how I to bring the trolley? You see, it's so beautiful though. But I don't understand how I bring the trolley down. May fountain pa doon, no? Nikki, how are you, my love? The beautiful Radisson mini golf area. So hello everyone. So look at this fountain here. So cute. Small fountain. This area. Let's go in that side. Nikki, do you want to walk? There's a cute dog. No. We can also, there's mosquito. We can read also here for surfing. It's a very big area, guys. It's a beach. Yeah, there are many area here. What? Do you want to walk? I want to go on the other side, Nikita. Mag-walk kami doon sa area na yun, oh. Ang ganda doon. I think it looks so beautiful. Yeah, let's go on the other side, Nikki. Yeah, pick up your pasipa. Da. Let's go in that side. Ayan o, makita nyo naman. The Radisson Hotel. It's a very big area, guys. Okay. Don't stand up. We're going to walk there on the side. Don't move. Ayan, ang ganda ng area dito. It's a golf area actually. And there's a play area for the child. You see? You want to walk?